James Rhodes, and I'm a product manager at O&I. I'd love to say that it started when I was 6 years old at school and I was looking at an insect or something, but really it got started when I was at university doing my final year dissertation and getting my hands dirty in the lab and actually realizing that I could pick apart some of these problems which are not understood. That's where I really became curious rather than just interested in the theory. So my current field is genetics, so trying to understand why we're like our parents and why when a giraffe gives birth, it gives birth to another giraffe and not a hippopotamus or something. And I think I really became interested in that again once I was able to do research on it. So I'd learned about genetics when I was at school and at university, but the methods and those problems seem so abstract, and only when you are trying to solve some of those problems do you really get to grips with how tangible they really are. I think it's the community. So I love the history of science. I read lots of books about the races to solve different problems and the races to certain discoveries. And I think I love the competition, the rivalries, but also the collaborations and the sense of community that you get from conferences. And so I think it's really the world that you exist in and the networks within a field that got me really excited about being a scientist. So I think I'm now a product manager. So that means I'm more involved in building products and making discoveries. So really the thing that drives me now is to make products which are useful to customers and drives their research forward. So I think I would want the ability to go back in time and take samples from different periods in history. So I could go back billions of years and take a sample of the primordial soup to find out what was going on when life started getting going, or go back to the era of the dinosaurs, get some Diplodocus poop, or even go and meet some early hominids and get some cheap swaths so we can try and understand our ancestors. So I think one of the most interesting areas of biotech for me is multi-cancer early detection. So this is where you can screen for lots of different cancer types from one biosample, so a blood draw or another biofluid. And I think this is such a powerful technique, and using epigenetics and cell-free DNA, it's really possible that we can detect cancer extremely early in a wide range of people, so people aren't turning up in the clinic with lumps in their belly. And by detecting cancer earlier, then we can treat it much better.